all of our kids of all racial groups are going to have a minority experience in their lifetime, right? Like, white folk will be a minority. So that part in the Constitution that says protecting minorities from the tyranny of the majority, that's not just about black and brown folk. That's to protect everybody. It's even conceivable at some point that Christians will be a minority, and it's not because so many other religions coming. It's because there are fewer people in the front pew at the church every year, and what's happened in Europe is happening in America. 73% of the funerals in Switzerland are secular, no religious association whatsoever. 73%. Because a lot of people are just saying, we don't want to do any kind of religion. It's not because that's a brown space or a black space, it is Switzerland, you know? But that process is happening in places like this too, and of course that's freaking some people out. But protecting minorities from the tyranny of the majority and holding up all voices, not just what we fighting over whose narrative gets to be centered, I think that's healthy practice for a healthy democracy.